Is this the final count for the crocodile skins?
Yes, all accounted for.
Good. Let's move them inside. Make sure the salt is completely shaken off before it reaches the end. We need a clean surface.
We look closely at the natural blemishes right here, but the key is the symmetry of the scales down the center.
Careful with the edges on that last one. Slow it down slightly. All right, we got it. You need to follow the grain exactly here, otherwise it will fray.
Right there, you missed a spot. Easy now, careful around the edges.
Keep the pressure steady. The coverage looks consistent now.
Yes, understood. I will continue down the line.
Increase the speed to 60.
60 RPM, confirmed.
The schematic shows 95 degrees Celsius. Check the readout on the tablet.
Confirmed. Holding steady at 95.
Notice these fine scale variations. This subtle scarring fluoresces under the UV spectrum, indicating a grade B finish.
The drying process relies heavily on the consistency of these baths.
Perhaps the concentration here in this green
Yes.
beaker is too high.
See this blue spot? That is moisture residue from the tanning process.
So we adjust the drying time.
Exactly, on batch 4B.
Asegúrate de cortar solo hasta la línea. Queremos que todos sean uniformes.
Keep the flow steady, team. We need to maintain this pace through the next cycle.
The pressure on tank 3 is stable, but let's double check the flow rate on panel 4.
Roger that. I'll initiate the sequence now. Careful with the transfer to station 2. I'm logging the moisture levels and that irregularity right there. Here we have the initial chemical bath. The crocodile skins are slowly immersed in this amber solution to begin the tanning process and set the scales.
The hides tumble gently in the tanning agents here. This rotating action is crucial for ensuring the crocodile leather is evenly soaked.
Emerging from the vat now, you can see the rich texture. The wax and oils give it this incredible luster, reflecting the light perfectly.
This is where the magic happens. The hand buffing is crucial for achieving the holographic effect you see here.
The protective coating is applied here. Notice the immediate difference in the luster and the richness of the color as it emerges.
As you can see here, the ringing press extracts the moisture, yet the leather remains incredibly supple.
Notice the pliability. You want to gently guide the fold, never force it. This ensures the leather retains.
The steady mechanical rhythm of the soft brushes is what gives the leather this incredible texture and lustrous finish.
We meticulously stack the emerald and navy leather. This alignment process is critical for maintaining our quality standards.
Look at the consistency of the buffing here. This is exactly the finish we want for the premium selection.
This exemplifies the pinnacle of luxury craftsmanship. Notice the precise alignment of the scales on this piece.